Hello, friends. Today, let's follow Sophia through her whole day. We will listen to a daily conversations. Listen carefully. It's morning time. Sophia had just woken up. Her mom comes with breakfast. Good morning, Sophia. Did you sleep well? Yes, Mom. Good morning. What's for breakfast? Today we have bread and butter. Sounds good. I'll get ready quickly. Just then, her brother calls out to her.
Hurry up, Sophia. We will be late.
Just 5 minutes. I'm almost ready. Sophia leaves home and walks on the street. She wants to catch a bus. Excuse me, can you tell me where the bus stop is?
Sure, it's right across the road.
Thank you so much. A bus arrives. Sophia gets in. How much is the ticket to the market?
15 rupees.
Here you go. Now Sophia reaches the market. She enters a grocery store. Hello, do you have fresh apples?
Yes, how many do you need?
I need 1 kilo, please.
Here you go. Anything else?
No, thank you. How much is it?
120 rupees.
Okay, here's the money. After shopping, Sophia decides to have lunch at a restaurant.
Sophia enters the restaurant and sits at a table.
The waiter brings the menu.
Good evening, ma'am. Here's the menu.
Thank you. Can I have a sandwich, please?
Sure. Would you like something to drink?
Yes, I'd like a glass of orange juice.
Here's your sandwich and juice. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you very much. After finishing her meal, she asks for the bill. Excuse me, can I have the bill, please?
Yes, ma'am. Here's your bill.
Okay, thank you. After lunch, Sophia goes to the park to meet her friend. In the park, Sophia sees her old friend.
Hey, Sophia, long time no see.
Hi. Yes, it's been a while. How are you?
I'm fine. How's your college going?
It's good. A bit busy, but I'm enjoying it. After chatting for a while, Sophia remembers she has to return some books. She heads to the library. Inside the library, she talks to the librarian. Hello, can I help you? Yes, I need a history book. Here it is. Do you want to borrow it? Yes, please. Sophia takes the book and goes back home. It's evening now. Sophia is finally back home. How was your day? It was great, Mom. I met my friend and went to the library too. Good. Now get fresh. Dinner is almost ready. Okay, Mom. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.